everyone, how's everyone doing? First of all, I'm very sorry. It's been a long time. I have not brought in any videos. I think last time also full moon or Amavasya I didn't bring in the video. I think Guru Purnima I had brought, but before that I had not brought. I've been really, one side I have too much of an hectic schedule, and the other side my health has also been on a roller coaster ride. But thanks to all my beautiful students, my followers, many of them have been praying, many of them have been connecting with me, and many of them have been healing me, so I am better. But again, I'm very sorry, and I don't want to promise, but I will try to keep coming back as and when I can with more and more videos. So this video is for the upcoming Amavasya and the upcoming new moon. The upcoming Amavasya is the Shravan Amavasya. Here down south it is called as the Aadi Amavasya, a very powerful Amavasya. Aadi Amavasya, a lot of temples here do a lot of rituals, do a lot of prayers. A very powerful Amavasya basically. So the timings I have written kept it starting on the July 27th at night by 9 o'clock, and it ends on July 28th by 11 p.m. So technically 28th of July is your Amavasya, no doubt about it. But again, 27th night is your no moon night. Technically or properly the no moon night, the Amavasya night, because many people might celebrate new moon on the 28th. I don't celebrate the new moon on the 28th. I celebrated it only on the 29th. But many people also 28th after 11 p.m. they feel Amavasya is over, so the new moon has started. So that is also one reason why I am saying this. Technically 27th night is the no moon night, the best and the most powerful time for your hex breaking rituals, protection rituals, for your binding rituals, any rituals which you want to do related to binding, hexing and protection, you can do tomorrow. Now I don't have candles, I don't know what to do. Then tomorrow night after, I think 9:30 is it? Yes, 9:30 is the timing. After 9:30, what you can do is just burn a lamp, learn the play the Hanuman Chalisa, and sit in front of Lord Hanuman. If you don't have the statue, perfectly fine. In your mobile you can take the statue and you can sit and just chant the Hanuman Chalisa, and Sankat Mochan also you can chant, and I'm sure he's going to protect you and he's going to take care of you. The rest, my candle students, my WICCA students can do their protection rituals, their hex breaking rituals and their binding rituals on the 27th of July at night after 9:30. Preferably, I tell my students to stick on to witching hour if they can, which is in the night 1 to 3. So if you can stick on to that hour, very well and good. So now coming to the day of Amavasya, which is our 28th July. As I said, Aadi Amavasya or the Shravan Amavasya, the most powerful Amavasya. In fact, it is said that people who don't do the Pitrudosh pujas, or who don't do the Pindadan for their ancestors on this day, they definitely do, because this is the day where ancestors do come and see who is doing what for them and they bless. This is how it is said. So what can I do? Afternoon 12 o'clock, usually my candle magic students and my WICCA students do ancestor blessing ritual. Now you are just my follower, or you're a person who's just new to this field and who doesn't know what to do. Take a plain white candle, okay, boil some rice and keep some rice, you should boil and keep, and pick up few black sesame seeds, okay. So now, for example, if this is your plate, burn the white candle, just call on your ancestors, saying I call all my ancestors to bless me, to relieve me from my negative karmas, to relieve me from my ancestral curses. I apologize, and I am really sorry from the bottom of my heart if I have hurt you, or if any of my elders have hurt you in any way. Please accept my apologies, my sincere apologies, and please take these offerings and bless me and my family that they are always happy. Just say this. Now what you'll do is you'll burn sharp at 12 o'clock. You need to do this. 12 noon is the time to do this, okay. You'll burn the white candle, you'll keep the white rice. So you kept a white rice, you will sprinkle black sesame seeds on top of the white rice, and you'll keep a glass of water. After 10 minutes, 12 o'clock you burn the candle. After 10 minutes, what you will do is you will take the rice, and you'll take the water, and you will go and put it in the terrace. Now when you put it in the terrace, the crows usually come and eat, okay. And what happens is that it is said when the crow comes and eats, it is as a blessing. Now this blessing comes to you as multifold, okay. So you can do that in that ways. That is one thing which you can do. And those who are my students can work on ancestral blessing Now what is an ancestral blessing? We work on light blue figurines and white. I think I will tell the team if they can post my ancestor blessing video here. If they can tag that video, it will be easy for you all to even go and see if you want to do that, that ritual of mine. Now this is over. Now 12 o'clock noon is over. You have made the rice. You've kept the rice in the terrace, and you've kept the water in the terrace, and you've come. Now what you will do is in the evening at 6 p.m. Okay, evening at 6 p.m. you can put on the Mahishasur Mardini in your YouTube, the Mahishasur Mardini, and what you can do is take a lamp. It can be your everyday burning lamp, the silver lamp or everyday burning lamp that you burn. In that, pour a little bit of neem oil. Okay, buy off the neem oil and keep neem oil and 1 clove and a red wick. Now you might wonder what to do if you don't have a red wick. Take your normal cotton wick and apply kumkum on that. Okay, and put it. As the Mahishasur Mardini is going, you just sit in front of your puja room. It's not necessary you have to have this god photo or this goddess photo. No, just hear it and let the lamp burn. Okay, and just pray that you, your family, everyone is protected and no harm is being done. So that is something which you will do on the 28th evening at 6 o'clock. So now our Amavasya is over. Now we go to our new moon. Okay, now what do we do on new moon? Evening at 6 p.m. Okay, at 6, what you will do is you will take 6 lamps. Now you can take the clay lamps which you get in the market. 6 lamps you will take. In 2 lamps you will put ghee and you will put elaichi. Elaichi is cardamom. One cardamom in each lamp. So in 2 lamps will be ghee and cardamom. In 2 lamps will be coconut oil and star anise. One full star anise, not the broken one. And in the other 2 lamps you will put the gingerly oil or the tilka tel or the sesame oil that we say, along with one clove. You burn these in front of your puja room and then you put on the Shri Sukta and you hear it. What does this do? It brings in abundance, it keeps you healthy, and it keeps you and your family protected. Okay, this is one thing you will do. Now at the evening at 8, you will take a white candle and you will apply turmeric powder. Your kitchen haldi powder will also do. Okay, so you will apply the turmeric powder on that, and what you will do is you will burn it. What does it do? Now each candle will represent each member. Now for example, if you want in your family everyone to be healthy, you will take, say you're a family of 5 members, take 5 white candles, write each member's name, sprinkle the haldi powder and burn it. Also do one thing, burn one for the Mother Earth. When you burn one for the Mother Earth, then you know how the blessings are going to come back to you multiple fold. Okay, so hum your, and you can even do this for your clients. You can take up a ritual that day for your clients, and for your clients what you will do is you will write their name, you will apply the haldi powder. If you have the healing oil, fine. If you have eucalyptus oil, fine, you can do that, and you will send healing to them that day. Now that is your 8 in the evening. I have just written the timings. At night 10 is a very beautiful hour if you're a person who is writing a book, or if you're a person who's going to publish a book, or you're a person who has started their journey in spiritual field, or who is a person who is going to go abroad for higher education. Anything related to knowledge, wisdom, writing, creativity, 10 is the time. What should you do? You can burn a candle, or you can just sit, close your eyes and meditate. Now when you're meditating, think of your desires, visualize that coming true. One more beautiful thing what you can do is at 10 start writing a letter to the universe in present tense as if it has happened. For example, dear universe, I am publishing my book and my book has published. You should write it as if it has happened. My book has published and the feedbacks are very good. I thank the universe for making my book famous and for making my book loved by everyone. This is what I had desired and this is what has happened. And you put a signature and then you burn that paper and throw the ashes in the air. Okay, now those who have my unicorn candles, those who have my Merlin candles, those who have anything of my candles related to wish manifestation, please burn it at that time and write this letter. Else just the letter, burn it and throw the ashes in the air. Now the last thing that you can do on the upcoming new moon at night 11 p.m. is if you want your business to grow, if you want income to come, if you want your boss to listen to you, if you want your career to be really good. Now those who have my owl totem, please burn it at that time. Let it burn completely itself. Don't burn it for 10-15 minutes. Burn it to the intent that things are happening. Else you don't have any candles, just a white candle. Write your wish. Like I earn 1 lakh a month in that candle and burn it. Okay. If you have green candle, then green. Or if you have a red candle, burn the candle and tell your desire from inside. again at 11:11 take 11 bay leaves. Okay, 11 bay leaves, the same wish is written 11 times, and you tell the same wish 11 times. You say the wish, you burn one bay leaf, again you say the wish and you burn the second bay leaf, like that. All the 11 bay leaves, you tell the wish and then you burn it. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all are going to do all these and send me pictures of the rituals that you do the way you always do, to encourage me and to make me proud of you all. And have a beautiful, blessed Shravan Amavasya, Aadi Amavasya, and God bless you all. Thank you.